Does the FoxLox system work on a 1985? Let's find out. As a matter of fact, it does. You guys have seen these installed. It's basically you unplug your gray plug, unplug this plug, plug the FoxLox system in, hook to a ground, and then tap into this purple and yellow wire right there. This is not the correct tap. The one I had was broken, but that's probably why it was sent back. I bought an open box one because I called and talked to them, or sent them a message and talked to them and asked them if it would work on a 1985, and it was like, we don't know, we haven't tested it. I've got this open box one. You want to try it? They sell it to me for a discounted rate. I bought it. I was like, I'll give it a shot. Guess what? It works. Ooh, let me turn the camera around. They even got the pop going back here. This is what I had to figure out. I had to read the instructions. This is a long hold for the pop back here. Because at first it's like, oh, it's not working. Dang it. But the further I got down in the instructions, when I read it, it's like, it's a long hold. I was like, sweet. It works. So guys and ladies, order your FoxLox keyless entry. Now I have to go get some keys cut for the door or the ignition. I don't know which one I'm going to use, but it does work. 1985. This is a Capri, but the 1985 Mustang is the exact same. So make sure to go order one up. It'll save your keyholes, and it's just cooler when you walk up and just unlock the door. So now I just got to get this tucked up, get the kick panel back in, and I will be ready to go. See how it works? It's just simple. This is probably the most simple install of anything I've ever put on. I think it's it. Unplug. The plug is hard to get off, especially on 1985. It's been on there for a long time. But once I got it broke loose, it plugged in and it works. This is a product that I like to find. It's as described. It's simple. Anybody can hook this up. Anybody, I think. As long as you got two hands, you got a wrench to to ground it, and a screwdriver to take the kick panel out. I think you can do it. But make sure to check them out. It's a good product. Till next time, I'm out of here.